Question 3, Gateway Arch in St. Louis, Missouri is 630 feet tall. Priya can look up at a 50-degree angle to see the top of the arch. How far away from the base of the arch is she standing? Well, again, I could probably draw an arch, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to pretend like this is my arch, and it is 630 feet tall. And by the way, if you guys have never been to the Gateway Arch, it's really cool. It's the same height as it is the same, sorry, let me say that again. The base is the same width as the height. So it is 630 feet from base to base, and it is 630 feet tall. And a lot of people call it a parabola, but it's not. And there's a really cool place in the basement underneath the arch where you can go and kind of learn about the math behind it and stuff. It's really neat. Anyway, we got Priya standing over here. There's Priya. Hi guys. And we are trying to find out how far away is she standing from the base of the arch. And when she looks up, the angle that she makes with that is a 50-degree angle. Okay? So we have to figure out how far away is she standing from this. So we are going to label this triangle according to the angle that we know. And so we know that this angle is 50. We know that this is going to be our hypotenuse. That looks like an A. So we are going to reverse that because I don't want it to look like an A. I want it to look like an H. There we go. This across is the opposite, and this down here is the adjacent. And so the adjacent is what we're looking for. The hypotenuse, we don't have any information about, so we're not going to use the hypotenuse. All right, now, what trig function uses opposite and adjacent? Well, that would be the tangent function. So I'm going to do a little trick here because remember how I've said before, I don't like having my unknown in the denominator. So I also know, because this is a 50-degree angle right here, I also know that this is a 40-degree angle up here. And so this would be the opposite, and this would be my adjacent. And so if I do the tangent of 40 instead of the tangent of 50, then I can do, so the tangent of theta is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So I'm doing the tangent of 40 is equal to, here's the opposite of 40, which is our unknown, over the adjacent of 40, which is that 630 feet. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides times 630 to get rid of this denominator over here. Multiply this side by 630. So x is equal to whatever 630 times the tangent of 40 is. So again, let's grab our calculator. We're going to do 630 times the tangent of 40, and we have about 528.6. So she is standing approximately 529 feet away from the base of the St. Louis Arch.